Hola estudiantes, ¿cómo están? Muy bien. Yo estoy bien, gracias a Dios. So today we're going to talk about prepositions and pronouns. A couple of words that maybe you don't know what they mean if you don't remember them from La clase de inglés, from English class. Don't worry, we've talked about both of them before. We'll talk about them again hoy. Today. Learning target. I can ask someone if they like to do an activity or activities with me or with others by using prepositions and pronouns together. I can apply my listening skills to correctly fill in the blanks on slide número 11. Uno, uno, once. All right. So let's review what the pronouns are. Yo, that's an old pronoun. You remember pronouns are words to put in place of nouns. All right? They are miniature words for nouns. Like yo is I. Instead of saying señores, I can say I. Tú, you. Él, ella, usted, he, she, you formal. Nosotros, we. Vosotros, you all. Vosotras, you all. Ellos, ellas, they. And ustedes, you all. So when you're doing pronouns after a preposition, they change. How many of them change? Let's see which ones change. Yo becomes me. Tú becomes ti. Él stays the same. Ella. Usted. Nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Those all stay the same. The only two that change are yo becoming me and tú becoming ti. All right. So here are a couple of the prepositions. Prepositions are short words that begin prepositional phrases. They're like little bits of a sentence that add on to give a little more information about what's going on. All right, so you can say con means with. A means to. You've seen that. De, we went over de last week. De could mean for, from, or of. En, you may have seen en in the past too. En can mean in, on, or at. Preposition. Este cerdito está en el lodo, is in the mud. All right, so how to use these prepositions, these new ones. Me gusta bailar con mi novia. I like to dance with my girlfriend. Con, so when you have con, you can use that to mean with and fill in the sentence with whom you are doing something. Me gusta ir a la playa. I like to go to the beach. Me gusta hablar con mis amigos. Me gusta hablar con mis amigos. I like to talk with my friends. All right. Do you like to talk with your friends? ¿Te gusta hablar con tus amigos? ¿Sí o no? All right. One of the tricky things with con and then mi, when it has con and mi together, they become conmigo. When you have con and ti together, with you, they become contigo. So conmigo is with me, contigo with you. So if I asked, ¿Quieres bailar conmigo? Do you want to dance with me? Or a mí me gusta cantar contigo, pero no me gusta bailar contigo. So a mí me gusta cantar la contigo, with you. Pero no me gusta bailar. I don't know how to dance. Bailar contigo, with you. But I don't want to dance with you. I do want to sing with you, but I don't want to dance with you. No quiero bailar contigo. Don't want to dance with you. All right, some más ejemplos. Try and listen and see if you know what these might mean. No me gusta ir al cine con Amelia. Ir al cine is one of your vocabulary phrases, one of your vocab terms. All right, so you need to know this frase, and then you have con Amelia, with Amelia. So when you're saying with a person, you can just say con and then their name. Me gusta comer la cena con mi familia. I like to eat. Ooh, I gave you away. Comer. Comer is a vocab word, one of your vocab words. If you don't know it yet, continue to study. La cena might be new. La cena is dinner. Con mi familia. Con mi familia. So with my family. ¿A ti te gusta jugar videojuegos con los amigos? Con los amigos? I can't quite see it. Do you like to play video games with friends? Con amigos? With friends. ¿A ustedes les gusta correr? Do you all like to run? When you're asking multiple people, a ustedes les gusta correr. We use the a here, which is one of those prepositions. A ustedes. A mí me gusta viajar. A mí me gusta viajar, to travel, pero no me gusta viajar con mi familia. But I don't like to viajar con mi familia, with my family. So do you remember how the pronouns changed with the verb gustar? Remember when we used phrases like a mí gusta jugar videojuegos, or a ti gusta, a él gusta. There are little pronouns in there that are different than the ones we learned today. But you still need to remember them for the phrases gustar, for with gustar. So, a mí me gusta. A ti te gusta, or te gusta. A él, a ella, usted le gusta. A nosotros nos gusta. A vosotros os gusta. A ellos, a ellas, a ustedes les gusta. Normally you just use one word here, but these are all the different options you have. El, ella, or usted. They all go with le. Also, if you were going to use a person's name, one single person, you'd use a él or a Pablo le gusta. If you were going to say multiple people's names, a Juan y a Amelia les gustan. It goes over here. If you're saying a Amelia y a mí, Amelia and I, nos gusta, we like. Okay? I think we have all those covered. All right, so now for a little bit of listening practice. You're going to be filling in the words like the pronouns in esta sección, in this section, okay? So I'm going to read it, and I need you to listen, escuchar, y escribir, and put in the correct respuesta here. So you can play the video in one tab, maybe, and then you have another tab where you have these Google Slides open, and you're typing in this sección, in this slide. Okay? So I'm going to read it. Soy extrovertida. All right, so this is coming from a woman's perspective because it ends with a, extrovertida. Soy extrovertida. A mí me gusta pasar el rato con amigos. Mis amigos son muy divertidos. Me gusta mucho salir con ellos. Mi amigo Jorge es muy activo. A mí no me gusta ver televisión. Mi amiga Laura es muy tímida. A ella no le gusta ir a fiestas. A nosotros nos gusta ir al cine. Juan y Carlos son mis amigos también. A ellos les gusta jugar a los videojuegos. ¿A ti qué te gusta hacer? All right, I'm going to read it again, and you can play this as many times as you want. Soy extrovertida. A mí me gusta pasar el rato con amigos. Mis amigos son muy divertidos. Me gusta mucho salir con ellos. Mi amigo Jorge es muy activo. A él no le gusta ver televisión. Mi amiga Laura es muy tímida. A ella no le gusta ir a fiestas. A nosotros nos gusta ir al cine. Juan y Carlos son mis amigos también. A ellos les gusta jugar a los videojuegos. ¿Y a ti? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? I think I messed up the first time I read it. The part where it says no le gusta ver televisión. And it should say a él no le gusta ver televisión. Okay? A él no le gusta ver televisión. I may have messed up the first time around. All right. So that's part of your homework to answer and fill in those espacios, fill in those spaces, okay? Buena suerte. If you have any preguntas, me pueden enviar un correo electrónico. You can always send me an email or háblame over the Google Meet. If you have Señorita Guerrero, you're probably going to want to email her and not me. Okay. Adios.